Hello children, this is 4th Standard Maths. Chapter name is Addition and Subtractions. So in this chapter, all addition sums are completed. Now let's learn some subtraction sums. Subtraction. Subtraction means here we have to subtract from the ones place. First we have to subtract ones place number. Then next is tens place. From right side we have to subtract. Then 100 place. Then thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Then so ones place we have to subtract means the first line number should be greater than this line. First line should be greater than, first row should be greater than second row. If here 2 and 4, it means I want to spend 4 rupees, but we have only 2 rupees. So we have to borrow one from our friend, means next number, tens place number. So 2 is there, so we have 2 minus 4 we can't subtract it, so borrow 1 from 2. So 1 means it together it become 12. 12 minus 4 is now 8. So now here 1, because he gave 1 to ones place. Now here 1 minus 2 we can't subtract because 1 is lesser than next line, say 2. So again we have to borrow 1 from the 100 place, next number, next neighbor. So 100 place. So together it is now 11. 11 minus 2 means 9. 10, 11. Okay. Now here 3 is now 2. Okay. 3 is now 2. 2 minus 5 we can't subtract it because 2 is lesser than 5. So your first line should be greater than second line. So again borrow 1 from next number. So borrow 1. Now this become 12, and here 8 is now 7. Now 12 minus 5. Okay. 12 minus 5. 2 in your hand, 10 in your hand, 2 in your mind. So 5 you have to minus it. So 5 is minus. So what is remaining? 5 plus 2 in mind. So 5 plus 2 is 6, 7. 7. Now here 7. 7 minus 7. Both are same number, so we can subtract is 0. The next number is 2 and second line is 3. We can't subtract it because this first line should be greater than second line number. So borrow 1 from next number. Next number 1 means it become 12, and here 8 become 7 because 8 gave 1 to his friend. Now 12. 12 minus. Now next is 12. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 means equalize. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now 12. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 means equalize 3 to 12. So we get the subtracted value. So 3 here. So we have to equalize to 12. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 9. Okay, so 12 minus 3 is 9. Now we have 7. 7 minus 5 is 6, 7. No? So 2. Answer is 2,90,798. Now exercise 2.3, subtract 46,789 minus 20,532. So we have to subtract. So here the numbers are arranged according to the place value. Ones place, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. According to place value, the numbers are arranged. And now here first line should be greater than second line number. So here 46,789 is greater than 20,532. That we have to check properly. Then now 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 means 7. Then 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 in your hand minus 3 means 5. 7 minus 5 means 2. And 6 minus 0 is 6. Any number subtracted with 0 means the number itself. So we have to write the same number, 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. It means we have 9 rupees. We want to spend 2 rupees. So 9 minus 2 is, after spending 2 rupees, we get the remaining amount is 7. We have 8 rupees. In that, we want to spend 3 rupees for chocolate. So after spending 3 rupees for chocolate, remaining is 5 rupees. And here we have 7 rupees. We want to spend 5 rupees to buy a egg. After 5 rupees for egg means after buying egg, the remaining amount is 2 rupees. And 6 rupees, that day we don't want to buy anything, so 6 rupees only. The next day 4 rupees. 4 rupees we want to purchase a chocolate or anything. So 2 rupees chocolate means 4 minus 2 is remaining amount is 2 with us. Now next sum, 38,902 minus 14,901. So first first row is greater than second row. Now if any one digit, ones number, tens or 100 numbers are greater or smaller than second line, means we have to borrow 1 from our next number. Now 2 is greater than 1, so we can subtract it. 2 minus 1 is 1. It means we have 2 rupees. We want to buy any chocolate. 1 rupees chocolate means after purchasing 1 rupees chocolate, we have 1 rupees remaining. 0 money, don't want to buy anything, so 0 only. 9 rupees, we want to buy 9 rupees pen. After purchasing 9 rupees pen means 0 amount. And 8 rupees we have, after 8, 4 rupees we want to spend to buy a eraser or something. Here we plan to buy a eraser, so 8 rupees minus, out of 8 we spend 4 rupees for eraser, so remaining is 4. And 3, out of 3 rupees we want to buy 1 rupee chocolate, so after spending 1 rupee for chocolate, the remaining amount is 2. So answer is 24,001. Now third one, 68,948 minus 24,529. Look at here children, the first number 68,000 is greater than 24,000. Numbers are arranged according to the place value. Then here 8 minus 9. So here first row number should be greater than second row number, then is easy for calculation. So 8 rupees, we have 8 rupees, but we have to spend 9 rupees. So we can't spend. So borrow 1 from our friend. Borrow 1 from here. Our friend means it become 1 here, 18. Here 18. Borrow 1 from friend means here it become 18, and 4 is 3 now. 4 is 3. 18 minus 9 is 9. Now 3 minus 2 means 1. Now here 9. 9 minus 5 means 4. 8 minus 4 means 4. 6 minus 2 means 4. Answer is 44,419. Next number, fourth one, 73,657 minus 23,409. Now we have to subtract. The numbers are arranged according to place. Ones place, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Now we have to subtract the value. And for 73,657 is greater than 23,409. Then here first row number should be greater than second row. Then here it is easy for calculation. So here 7. 7 is less than 9. So we can't subtract it directly. So we have to borrow 1 from our friend who is there, 5. So borrow 1 from 5. So it becomes 17. It becomes 17, and 5 is now 4. Okay, don't use green or pen here. Use pencil, children. Now here 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9, big number. So equalize 9 into 17. So we get the subtracted value. Equalize 9 into 17. 10, 9 is over, no? 9 is here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here 4. 4 minus 0 means the number itself, 4. Okay, we have 4 rupees. No need to spend anywhere. So 4. Then 6 minus 4 means 2. 3 minus 3 means 0. We have 3 rupees. Spend 3 rupees to buy eraser. So 3 only. 7 minus 2 means 5. 7 in your hand. Okay, 2 is subtracted. Remaining is 5. Answer is 50,248. So here difficult to write the borrowed numbers here. I'll do it on the board. Now fifth one, 24,327 minus 16,268. Now fifth question children, 24,327 minus 16,268. So 27 minus 8 we can't subtract because 7 is less than 8. So first row number should be greater than second row, then easy for a calculation. 7 minus 8 we can't subtract because 7 is less than 8. So borrow 1 from friend. Next number. So 2, borrow 1 from 2 means it becomes 17 and this is now 1. Now 17 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much children? 9. Now we have 1. 1 minus 6 we can't subtract it because we have only 1 rupees. We want to spend 6 rupees to buy a egg. So we can't give 6 with 1 rupees we can't buy a egg because we egg rate is 1 egg rate is 6 rupees. What we'll do? We borrow 1 from next number. So 1 here. So it will. Now here 11. 11 minus 6 means equalize 6 to 11. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5. Okay. Now here 3 is now 2 because 3 gave 1 to next number. Now 2 minus 2 means 0. 4 rupees. 4 minus 6 we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 from 2. So it become 14 and here this is 1. So 14 minus together is 14. 14 minus 6 means 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how much? 8. Now here 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Answer is 8059. Now sixth question children. 31,972 minus 20,589. Now we have to subtract 31,972 minus 20,589. 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9 we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 from next number. Borrow 1 means 2 will become 12 and here it is now 6. So 2 will become 12 because add 1 2 together 2. So it become 12. Now 12 minus 9 means 10, 11, 12. Equalize the number to 9 to 12. So 9 is already here. So 10, 11, 12 means 3 here. Now 6 minus 8 we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 from 9. So borrow 1 from 9 means it becomes 16. 1 written together means it becomes 16 and 9 is now 8 because out of 9 he gave 1 to this number. Now 16 minus 8 is 8. Then now here 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Total is 11,383. Now 48,314 minus 16,029. Now 4 minus 9. The first number 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 we can subtract because this number should be, first number should be greater than second line number. So here 4 minus 9 we can subtract it. Borrow 1 from here. So it become 14. 4 here, 1 borrow here means together 1 and 4 is 14 and here 0. Now 14 minus 9 means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 5. Now 0 minus 2 we can't subtract in. We have 0 rupees. We want to spend 2 rupees for a pencil. So we can't buy 2 rupees pencil. So borrow 1 from 3. So it become 10 and 3 rupees will become 2 rupees. Now 10 rupees. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now 2 rupees. No need to spend anywhere. So number itself 2 only. And 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 means 7, 8, 2. 7, 8. 4 minus 1 means 3. Answer is 32,285. Now 8th question. 34,927 minus 12,278. So 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8 we can't subtract it because 7 should be greater than 8. So borrow 1 from 2. Borrow 1 from 2 means it becomes 17. So here 17 and 2 is now 1. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much? 9. Now 1 minus 7 we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 from 9. So borrow 1 means it become 11 and 9 is now 8. Now 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 means equalize 7 into 11. So 8, 9, 10, 11. How much? 4. And here 8. 8 minus 2 means how much? 6. 8 minus 2 is 6, 7, 8. Now 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And here 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Answer is 22,649. Now 59th one, 56,235 minus 24,788. Now 5 minus 8 we can't subtract it because 5 is less than 8. So borrow 1 from 3. So here 15, 15 and 3 will become 2 and 15. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much? 7. Okay, now 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8 we can't subtract it because 2 is less than 8. So borrow 1 from next number. So it become 12 and 2 is now 1. 12 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12. How much number? 4. Then here 1 minus 7 we can't subtract it because 1 is less than 7. So we have to borrow 1 from 6. So it becomes 11 and here 5. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11. How much? 4. Now 5. 5 minus 4 means 1. Now 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Answer is 31,447. Now 10th one, 68,532 minus 27,798. Now here 2 minus 8 we have to subtract. So 2 minus 8 we can't subtract. We have only 2 rupees. We want to spend 8 rupees. 8 rupees for a pen. So here we can't spend. No, we can't buy 8 rupees pen because we have only 2 rupees. So borrow 1 from our next friend, next neighbor. So borrow 1 from here. So it become 12. 2 will become 12 and here this is 2 now. Now 12 minus 8 is equalize 8 into 12. So 12 minus 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 4. Now here 2. 2 minus 9 again we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from next friend. So it become 12 and 5 is now 4. 12 minus 9 means 10, 11, 12. How much? 3. Now 4. 4 minus 7 we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from here. So it become 14 and here 7. 14 minus 7 means 7. And 7 minus 7 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. Answer is 40,734. Now 11th question, 92,400 minus 11,678. Now we have 0 rupees means no rupees. We want to spend 8 rupees to buy a pen. So what we'll do? Knock next door, next friend. So here also our next best friend also have 0 rupees and next friend. So next friend have 4 rupees. So out of 4 this friend will give 1 to here. So it become 10. This will become 10. And 4 is now 3 because 3 give or 4 give 1 to his friend. 10 rupees. Out of this 10, 10 will give 1 to here. So it will become 10 and here this is now 9. Now here 10. 10 minus 8 is 2 and 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. And here 3 because out of 4, 4 gave 1 to his friends. No. So here 3. 3 minus 6 we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 from 2. So here this is now 13 and 2 is now 1. Now 13 minus 6 means 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how much? 7. And here 1 minus 1 is 0 and 9 minus 1 is 8. Answer is 80,722. Now 12th question, 86,500 minus 23,179. So here we have 0 rupees. We want to spend 9 rupees to buy a pen. So what we'll do? knock next door. So here also our friend also have only 0 rupees, no money. So knock next door. Here next friend have 5 rupees. So this friend will help here. So it become 10 now. 0 is now together 10 and 5 is now 4 because he gave 1 to his friend. And out of this 10, 10 will give 1 to next friend. So here 10 will become now 9 because he gave 1 to his friend. Now here 10. 10 minus 190 together is 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. And 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8, 9. Now here 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. Answer is 63,321. Next 13th question. 4,44,187 minus 3,46,799. Now 7 minus 9 we can't subtract because 7 is less than 9. So borrow 1 from 8. So this here 7 will become 17 and 8 is now 7. Now 17 minus 9 means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much? 8. And here 7 minus 9 again we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from next number. So here it will become 17 and here 1 will become 0. Now 17 minus 9 means again 8. Okay. Now 0 minus 7 again we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from next number. So here borrow 1 means it will become 10 and 4 will become 3 now. Now 10 minus 7 means 3. Now here 3. 3 minus 6 we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from here 4. So here it will become 13 and here 3. 13 minus 6 means 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 7. Now here 3 minus 4 we can't subtract. 3 minus 4 we can't subtract in. Borrow 1 from next number. So it will become 13 and here 3. 13 minus 4 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 9. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So no need to write. Answer is 97,388. Now 14th question. 3,62,431 minus 2,48,572. Now 1 minus 2 we can't subtract. Borrow 1 from next number. So here 11 and here 2. 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 means how much? Equalize 2 to 11. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9. And 2. 2 minus 7 we can't subtract. So borrow 1 from here. So here it will become 12 and here 3. 12 minus 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5. Now here 3 minus 5 again we can't subtract it. So borrow 1 because 3 is less than 5. Borrow 1 from next number. So here it will become 13 and this will become 1. Now 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 8. And now we have 1. 1 minus 8 again we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from next number. So here it will become 5. And here 11. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11. How much? 3. Now 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. And 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Answer is 1,13,859. Now 15th question. 7,34,340 and 4,28,583. So here 0 rupees. We have 0 rupees. We want to spend 3 rupees. So borrow 1 from here. So it become 10 and here 4 will become 3. 10 minus 3 means 7. Now 3 minus 8 again we can't subtract it because 3 is less than 8. Borrow 1 from here. So here it will become 3, 13 and here 2. Now 13 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 5. Now 2 minus 5 again we can't subtract it. Borrow 1 from next number. So here it will become 12 and 4 will become 3. Now 12. 12 minus 5 means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how much? 6, 7. Okay. Now 3 minus 8, again we can't subtract, borrow 1 from here. So it will become 13 and here 2. Now 13 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 5. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3,05,757. Now next question, 16th one, 5,16,000 and 3,28,249. Now here 0 minus 9 we can't subtract in. Here also 0 minus 4 you can't borrow here, and here also 0, so here also we can borrow. And 6 rupees can help these people. So out of 6 will give 1 here. Okay, so here it become 10 and 6 is now 5, and 10 will give 1 here, so it become 10 now, and 10, this 10 will become now 9, and out of this 10 will give 1 to here, 1 rupees here, and here this 10 is now 9 rupees, and here last digit is 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, and 9 minus 4 is 3, and 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, now 5 minus 8, again we can't subtract, borrow 1 from next number, so here 15, and this will become 0. 15 minus 8 means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 means how much we have to add? 15 minus 8, so 8 is over 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much? 7. Now here 0 minus 2 we can subtract, borrow 1 from here, so here 10, and this will become 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now 4 minus 3 means 1. 1,87,731. Sorry, here 9 minus 4 is 5, not 3. So answer is, okay, 10 minus 9 is 1, and 9 minus 4 is 5, sorry, this is 5, and 9 minus 2 is 7, 15 minus 8 is 7, 10 minus 2 is 8, and 4 minus 3 is 1. 1,87,751. Now 17th one, 5,54,020 and 3,56,975. So here 0 minus 5 we can't subtract, borrow 1 from next number, so here it will become 10, and this will become 1. 10 minus 5 is 5, and 1 minus 7 we can't subtract, means borrow 1 from here, here also 0 rupees, so he can't help, so borrow 1 from here. 4 will help 1 here, and 4 here, 4 will become 3, and 10, out of 10 will help here 1, so here it become 11, and 10 is now 9. Now 11 minus 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11. How much? 4. And 9 minus 9 means 0. 3 minus 6 we can't subtract and borrow 1 from 5. So it become 13 here, and 5 will become 4. 13 minus 6 means 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 7. Now 4 minus 5, again we can't subtract and borrow 1 from here. So here it will become 14, and this is 4 now. Now 14 minus 5 means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 9. And 4 minus 3 is 1. 1,97,045. 18th question, children. 1,53,005 minus 1,53,005 minus 57,987. Now 5 minus 7 we can't subtract, borrow 1 from here, here 0 rupees, he can't help, here also 0 rupees, so 3 will help. So 3 will give 1 to here, so 3 is now 2, and 10 will give 1 to here, and 10 will become now 9, and this 10 will give 1 to here, and this 10 will become 9. Now here last digit is 15. 15 minus 7 means 8. Okay, 7, 14, 15. Now here 9 minus 8 is 1, and 9 minus 9 is 0. 2 minus 7 we can't subtract and borrow 1 from next number. So here it will become 12 and this is now 4. 12 minus 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5. Now 4 minus 5 we can't subtract, borrow 1 from here. So here 14. 14 minus 5 means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how much? 10. Okay, so for 14 minus 5 means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how much? 9. Answer is 95,018. Now 19th one, 3,08,741 minus 29,467. Now 1 minus 7 we can subtract. So borrow 1 from here. So it becomes 7, 11 and 4 is now 3. 11 minus 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4 and 3. 3 minus 6 we can't subtract, borrow 1 from here. So here 13 and this will become 6 now. 13 minus 6 means 7. Okay, 6, 6, 12, 13. Now here 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 means 2. 5, 6. Now 8. 8 minus 9 we can't subtract, borrow 1 from here next number. Next number also have 0 rupees. So borrow 1 from next. So 3 will help here. So this will become 10 and 3 is now 2. And this 10 will help here. So here 8 will become 18 and 10 is now 9. 18 minus 9 is 9 and 9 minus 2 is 7 and 2 here. Answer is 2,79,274. Now 20th one, 9,68,000 and 6,57,416. So here 0, 0 minus 6 we can't subtract. So here borrow from next numbers. So here also 0 rupees. So here also 0 rupees. So 8. 8 will help here. So 8 will give 1 to this number and it become 10 and 8 is now 7. Now 10 will give 1 to here and 10 will become now 9 and this 10 will give 1 to next number and here this will become 9. The last digit is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 7 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 9 minus 6 means 3. So answer is 3,10,584.